So, you are probably a butu if on the street you're not shy to do this, and you have no qualms about going on national television looking like this.
Yes, miss. A long time the road them stay saying a long time.
Quick wig aside, you see that powdered neck and bra strap showing? Butu. Okay, in case you're still wondering who a butu really is. If you see someone going to say Burger King, then ask,
Yeah. On the cell party?
Butu. And then while she's there taking forever to decide what to buy, you observe 10 pounds of heel hanging off the slippers that's like 3 sizes too small. Then using a tail comb, she'd probably do something like this under her wig. Or even worse, she'd do something like this.
You know how long me ears a dig me.
Butu. Then, after finally deciding there's nothing on the menu to her liking, she proceeds to sit at a table in the restaurant.
I would think me always walk with my things, you know.
Butu.
Oh.
Oh no, she's not done yet.
Yes, that lick the spot.
Butu. By now you get the picture, right?